Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Fahad. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this creative landing page portion using Elementor Page Builder. I have divided this video into 3 different parts. In the first part, I will show you how to design the layout of this landing page using Elementor Page Builder, how to create this header, put the logo on the left and the navigation on the right, how to work with these headings, paragraph, buttons. I will also show you how to create these vertically aligned navigation dots using Elementor Page Builder. Then on the second portion of this video, I will show you how to change the background images by clicking on these navigation dots. Like here, if we now click on this second dot, you see the background image is changing. Also, if you click on the third one, the background image changes like this. And then on the third part of this tutorial, I will show you not only the background image, we can also change the whole content of this section by clicking on these navigation dots. So here if we click on this second navigation dot, you see the content here on the left has been changed as well as the background image. So if we click on the third dot, you see the background image and the content has been changed. Same for the fourth dot. So I will show you how to do that using Elementor Page Builder step by step. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor Page Builder. To take a new section, let's first click on this red plus icon. Now I'm selecting this single column structure. First make the content width to full width, and from here height I'm making it minimum height. I'm setting it in VH and let's make it 100 VH. Now go under style tab because I want to add a background image. From here let's select an image. I'm selecting this image. Now click on insert media. First, make the position to center, repeat to no repeat, and the size I'm making it to cover. Okay, now inside this section, click on this plus icon. First, let's drag an inner section inside here. Then again, I want to add another inner section, so click here on this Rubik's Cube icon and drag another inner section underneath our existing inner section here. So this is the top inner section and this is the bottom inner section. Basically, I will be using this first inner section as the header of this landing page. So within the left column, we will put our logo and on the right side, we will put our navigation. So first, let's select the first inner section and I want to add some space in between these two. So go under Advanced tab, unbind the margin, and on the bottom, I just want to add 130 pixel. I will make the header later. Let's first start working with the second inner section. But before that, I wanna make the top inner section position at the top. So to do it, first let's just select the main inner section. We can just right click here and click on edit section. Then from the main section's layout, make the column position to top. Alright, so I'm just recapping it one more time. At first, here we have our main section. Inside that we have our 2 inner section. Like I said, the top inner section, we will be using that as our header. And then this is our main content inner section. So from here, I mean from the main bottom inner section, let's just delete one of the columns. Now we have only one column inside this inner section. Alright, let's now add some content. So click on this plus icon. First, I'm dragging an heading widget here. I want it to say Germany. Now go under style tab. First, let's make the text color to white color and then do a bit typography. From here, I'm making the font size to 54 pixel. Then font weight, let's make it 800 and transform to uppercase. Now we can just simply duplicate this heading by clicking here on duplicate. Now here, instead of Germany, I just want it to say a piece of heaven. Now I wanna make this heaven on a different line, and to make a line break, we just simply type here a HTML tag that's BR. Alright, now let's go under its style tab. From here, I just wanna make its font size to 86 pixel. Now let's add some paragraph. So I'm dragging the text editor widget underneath here. Let's now just paste here some dummy text. Go under style tab and I'm making the text color to white color. Now underneath this paragraph text, I wanna add a button widget here. Now instead of click here, I just wanna say travel with us. Oops, not travel, it's travel. And I wanna keep this button like this, but we can just make its font a bit bolder. So go under style tab. From here, typography, I'm making the font weight to 600. To me, it looks perfect. Okay, now I wanna add some padding at the right side of this column. So just select this inner column, go under its advanced tab, unbind the padding, and I'm giving it in percentage. On the right side, I'm adding 40% of padding. Okay, now on the right side here in this place, I wanna put the navigation dots. But here one important thing, we need to put those dots outside of this inner section. So I'm showing you how easily you can do that. First, let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and from here I'm searching for icon list. So here's the icon list widget. Now, like I said, I wanna place this icon list outside of this inner section. Okay, so here I'm dragging this icon list outside of this inner section here. But it seems like it's outside of this inner section, and if you have a close look, you can see it's still inside of this inner section. So in this case, we need to do it using the navigator. Just right click anywhere of this section and click on navigator. Now here, have a look. You see, here is our icon list and it's still inside the inner section here. But my goal is to put this icon list outside of this inner section. So we can do it using this navigator easily. Just drag this icon list outside of this inner section here. Now just minimize this inner section and drag the icon list underneath the inner section in this place. Okay, let's just close the navigator and have a look. Right now, the icon list is underneath this inner section. I'm not sure you can see it or not, but it's still sitting here. Let's just customize it on our way. So the very first thing, I just wanna delete all of this. Let's delete this one, also this one. I just wanna keep this one. Now click here. I don't want any text with it, so I'm removing the text. I will only be using this dot circle icon. So from here, apply link on, I'm making it to inline. Now let's go under style tab. From here, make the list alignment to right. Now open the icon. First, I'm making the icon color to white color. So now we can see the icon here on the right side. Alright, let's now make the size, icon size to 16. We can also make the alignment right from here. Alright, now we need to put this circle at the middle of this page in this place. So to achieve that, we need to do some custom positioning. Now go under its advanced tab. From here, let's now scroll down, open the positioning. First, I'm making the width to inline, that's inline auto. And now let's make the position to absolute. First, the horizontal orientation, I'm making it to right aligned. I mean from right. And let's make the offset to 30 pixel, and then here vertical orientation, I'm making it to 320 pixel. So we can see it here in this place. Then we can simply just duplicate it, and with the duplicated one, go under advanced tab, then open the positioning. From here, I'm just making the vertical orientation from 320 to 350. Because I want 30 pixel of spacing in between these two. Alright, again just duplicate it, go under its advanced tab, from here positioning. Let's add 30 pixel with the 350, so it would be 380. Again just duplicate it one more time, go under its advanced tab, open the positioning, and also let's add 30 pixel more with it, so that would be 410 pixel. Right now they are looking great. Alright, now before doing any other thing, I just wanna make our header, and it would be a pretty simple header. So first here inside this left column, click on this plus icon. I just wanna add a logo here, so I'm dragging this image widget. Let's now add a logo from here. I'm adding this logo. By the way, you can use all of these images because I will put these images download link in the description. Alright, so I'm selecting the logo. Let's make the image size to full and alignment to left. Now go under style tab. So from here image width, let's make it in pixel, and I'm giving it 60 pixel. Alright, then on the right column, here I'm searching for navigation menu. Here we go. Just drag it inside the right column here. Then you can select any of your menus from this list. I'm selecting my travel menu. Let's make the alignment to right. Then from under style tab, I'm just making the text color to the white color. So we're done with the layout of our landing page. Now before adding the options like the background changing option and the content changing option, I wanna make this portion completely responsive for tablet device and mobile device. And I wanna do it really quickly. So to make it responsive, first from here click on the responsive mode. Let's now start with the tablet device. So from top click on the tablet icon. The logo looks fine, but here the drop down menu, select it, go under its content tab. First here we can see mobile drop down, make the full width to on, and then toggle align, I'm setting it to right aligned. Now go under style tab, open the toggle button from here. Let's make the hamburger color to white color. Now if we click on this hamburger icon, the drop down menu is working perfectly, but I think we need to add some space in between this logo and these drop down items. So from left open the drop down option, then from here we can see the distance. Let's just make it 30 or 32. So right now it looks perfect. Alright. Then from here this Germany text on the tablet device, let's make its font size to 40 pixel, and then the secondary heading, let's make its font size to 60 pixel. So now on the tablet device it looks great. So let's now make it responsive for mobile device. From top click on the mobile icon. So here first we need to adjust the header, because by default on mobile device they have split it into two full width columns. Let's just fix it by clicking on this inner column, and I'm making the column width to 50%. Also with the same column, select the column, make its width to 50%. Also, if you notice, this hamburger is not vertically aligned. So from here vertical align, let's make it middle only for mobile device. Right now they are looking great on mobile device. The drop down is also looking perfect. Then here the Germany text, I mean the first heading, let's make its font size to 24 pixel only for mobile device, and then the secondary heading, let's make its font size to 42 pixel. And you may remember on this inner column we have given some padding at the right side on desktop, but on the mobile device I wanna reduce that. So just select this inner column, go under its advanced tab. Now unbind the padding, select it in percentage. On the right side I just wanna add 20% of padding. Everything looks great on mobile device, but I think we can reduce the space in between this header and this inner section. So let's just select this header, go under its advanced tab, unbind the margin, and here at the bottom only for mobile device I'm adding 80 pixel. Right now everything is looking perfect on mobile device, also on tablet device and on desktop device as well. Alright, let's now close the responsive bar. Now I will be adding the background changing option. So right now we can see this blue ocean image as our background image. Now my goal is when we will click on this second dot, the background image will be changed. Same for the third and fourth dots. For now let me just show you one thing. If we just go to our WordPress dashboard and from left bar from media, let's go to library. Here we will find all our uploaded images, and right now this one is our background image. Alright, let's close it. And now my goal is when we will click on this second dot, then another background image. Let's go to our media library again. For example, this image. So it will appear as our background image when we will click on this second dot. Okay, now we need to do each of these steps very carefully. The very first thing we need to do, select our main section. So this is our main section. Go under its advanced tab, and here you can see CSS classes. I'm adding here a class name that's travel-banner. Remember, you need to add the class name exactly like this. It says travel-banner, otherwise it won't work, because I have written the other script depending on this class name. And then we need to add some JavaScript snippet inside of our page builder. But no worries, you don't need to know a single line of JavaScript. I already have written that code for you. All you need to do, you just need to go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. From that page, if you scroll down a bit, here you will find a JavaScript snippet for thumbnails. Just copy this JavaScript snippet from here. Now go inside Elementor, and then we need to paste the JavaScript snippet inside a HTML widget. So here first click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm searching for HTML widget. we can drop this HTML widget anywhere of our page because it won't be shown on the front end of the website or this web page. So let's just drop it anywhere of the page. I'm dragging the HTML widget here. Now inside this HTML code, just paste the JavaScript snippet here. Actually, it's a pretty straightforward JavaScript snippet. I'm explaining it very shortly. Let me just increase its width. So here you see I have written in that way. Whenever we will click on the circles, the travel banner section's background image will be changed with the new image link. And then here I have written another snippet that's for changing the content. Actually, there is no problem if you don't understand any of these lines because this is not a JavaScript tutorial, of course. I'm explaining just if you are curious about it. Alright, let's now minimize it. Okay, so the thing you need to do, first let's select the first dot. So I'm selecting it. Then go under its advanced tab and from there open the attributes option. If you are comfortable with HTML, you may know usually we add attributes like first the key name, then equal, inside the quotation we put the value name. But here inside Elementor Page Builder, we need to write the attributes in a different way. That's first key name, then a pipe icon, and then the value name. And again, you don't need to write anything by yourself. Just go to jimfahaddigital.com. Right under the JavaScript snippet, here you can see thumbnail custom attribute. So just copy this snippet from here, go inside Elementor, then inside the custom attributes field, paste the snippet here. Now here under the pipe icon, you see it says background image URL. We will be replacing this text with the image URL that we wanna use as our background when we will click on this first circle. So let's now go to our media library, and like I said, I wanna use this image. So here on the right bottom, we can see the file URL. Just click here, copy URL to clipboard. Now go inside Elementor. From here, remove the background image URL text and paste the image URL here. By the way, the background changing option won't work inside Elementor Page Builder. So to preview it in real, first click on the green update button to save our work and then click on this eyeball icon. Now have a look. If we click on this first circle, the background image changes. Cool. But actually not with the first one. We need to add this image with the second circle because with the first circle I wanna use the first image. So let's go back to our Elementor Page Builder. So here our first image URL was here 1.jpg or jpeg. Alright, so it's with the first circle. Let's now just copy this custom attribute from here. Let's now go to the second circle. From under advanced tab, open the attributes. Here just paste the custom attribute and then change the image URL here in this place. Now let's go to the third circle. From under advanced tab, open the attributes. Again, paste the custom attribute snippet here. Just change the image URL. So here I'm putting 3.jpg. Oops, 3.jpg. Again, go to the fourth circle. From under advanced tab, open the attributes. Paste the snippet here and change the image URL here. Alright, let's now click on the green update button and this time preview it. Now if we click on the second dot, it changes the background image. Click on the third dot, the background image changes. Click on the fourth one, the background image changes. And again, if we click on the first dot, the background image changes to the initial one. Cool. And now, like I said, I wanna add another option. Whenever we will click on these dots, not only the background image, I also want to change the contents from the left side. So let's do it very quickly. Go inside Elementor Page Builder. But before doing that, we need to temporarily change some settings. So first, let's select our main section. Go under its layout. Only for the moment, let's make its height to default. And then this is our inner section. Let's select this inner section. Go under its advanced tab. Here I wanna add a class name with it. So here I'm typing all-content. And remember, once again, you need to put the exact class name, that's all-content. Also for this one, here I'm adding another CSS ID name. I'm naming it section-1. And then one last thing, I need to add some motion effects with it. So open the motion effects. From entrance animation, I'm searching for fade in, and let's make the animation duration to slow. Perfect. Alright, as we have 4 dots here, so I wanna make 4 contents here. To do it, let's just duplicate this inner section 3 more times. So let's duplicate it 1 more time, and duplicate it 1 last time. So right now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 inner sections. Alright, let's change their content. So the first one, let's keep it like this. Then the second one, here instead of Germany, I want it to say Malta. And then the secondary heading, let's change it to vacation stars. And after the break, I'm typing here. Let's go to the third inner section. Here instead of Germany, I'm writing here Australia. And the secondary heading, I'm writing here your next destination. Let's go to the fourth section. I'm writing here Dubai. And the secondary heading, explore the history. Alright, so now we have 4 different contents. Now have a look. This is our first inner section. So select it, go under its advanced tab. Here you see it has the class name all content. It has a unique CSS ID, that's section 1. Now let's go to the second inner section, select it, go under its advanced tab. As we have copied it from the first one, so here we have got the CSS class name all content with it. And you of course should have this class name, but the CSS ID, instead of section 1, I'm typing here section-2. Now let's go to the third one, select it, go under its advanced tab, keep the class name all content, but the CSS ID, I'm typing here section-3. Go to the fourth inner section, select it, go under its advanced tab, keep the class name all content, and here CSS ID, you guessed it right, it would be section-4. So we are done with the creation of the new layout or new inner sections. Now we have to select our main section. So from top, I'm just grabbing our main section, go under its advanced tab. Then if we scroll down, here we'll find the custom CSS option. By the way, you may see we have also used the attributes option, and right now we will be using the custom CSS option. This attributes option and custom CSS option is only available on Elementor Pro. I will put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through my affiliate link, you don't have to pay any extra, but I will get a little commission for that. That will help me to continue this YouTube channel and make more interesting tutorials like this. Alright, now inside this custom CSS field, we need to write some custom CSS code. But no worries, I already have written that code for you. You can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. Then if you scroll down, here you will find hide or show content CSS. Just copy the CSS snippet from here, go inside Elementor and paste the code inside the custom CSS field. And here we go. You may remember we have given all the inner sections this common class name, that's all content. So here using this CSS code, I have made their display none, and then initially I'm only showing the section 1. That's why we can see here this Germany inner section, but instead of section 1, if we put here section 2, you see here is the second inner section. Then if we put here section-3, we can only see here the third inner section. So let's keep it just section 1 visible. Then we will make it dynamic by clicking on these circles. So to do it, just select this first circle. Again, go under its advanced tab, scroll down and open the attributes. You see here is one existing attributes that we have used for changing the background images. But now we will be using another custom attribute. To get that attribute, just go to jimfahaddigital.com. Then if you scroll down, here you will find show or hide custom attribute. Let's just select this snippet, go inside Elementor. Now right after our existing custom attribute, so after JPEG, hit enter couple more time and then paste the custom attribute snippet. Remember, hitting the enter couple more time is important, otherwise it won't work. Just make sure these two custom attributes are separated by some space. Alright, now as it's the first circle, so here you see I have written section-name. Now here instead of section-name, I'm writing section-1. That's our first inner section ID name. You need to put that name here, I mean the ID name here. Alright, let's just copy it, go to the second circle. From under Advanced tab, open the attributes. After the existing attribute, hit enter a couple more time and paste it. Now here, instead of section 1, write here section 2. Go to the third circle. From under Advanced tab, open the attributes. Just after our existing attributes, hit enter a couple more time. Paste the snippet here as it's the third one, so it would be section 3. Go to the fourth dot. From under Advanced tab, open the attributes, and similar like other, just after our existing custom attribute, paste the snippet, and here it would be section 4. Alright, now click on this green update button and preview it now. If we now click on this second circle, you see the background image is changing. Also, here's the contents are changing. Let's click on the third one. It's changing as well. Click on the fourth one. Background image and the texts are changing. Let's now do the final polishing. So just go inside Elementor Page Builder again. From here, select the main section, go under its layout. You may remember we have set its height to default, but now we can go back to our minimum height and we have set it to 100 VH. And also I want to change another thing. Like if we have a look, right now if we click on these circles, you see the background images are changing instantly. But I want to make it happen with beautiful transition. So to do it, go inside Elementor. Remember, you have selected the main section, go under its Advanced tab, then open the custom CSS. Now if we just go to jimfahaddigital.com, here I have written the snippet. It says background transition CSS. Just copy the CSS snippet from here, go inside Elementor. Let's now paste the CSS snippet here. This time click on this green update button finally and preview it now. This time if we click on the second circle, you see right now the background image is changing with a smooth transition effect. Again, click on the third one. Here you can also see this beautiful animation effect. I mean the transition effect, also with the last one. Right now it looks really cool. So that's basically it. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this whole tutorial. I will see you on the next video. For now, bye bye.